Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. In this video, we are going to do a box opening review and look at one of the fastest gamers and video editing laptop around. And this is the Asus ROG Strix G GL731GU. Now come with us and we will show you how fast this laptop really is. Now go grab something to take some notes because this laptop will change your experience with video rendering. Here's the stats to the laptop which I own and demonstrating in this video. Oh yeah, my new video editing laptop is here. Now let's go to the box opening. Alright guys, so here's what's in the box. This box was ordered from Exotic PC. This is off of Amazon, so these guys are actually upgraded the laptop. So here's what it is. The first thing you'll see here, this is the cooling fan, or extra cooling fan for the laptop. And what you see here is, I guess, a gamer's mouse. And the second thing is the mouse pad. And this is the important thing. This is the Asus ROG Strix G GL731GU. And it's been upgraded to have 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD drive. And hopefully I will be able to render videos quicker, faster, and better. And now let's take a look at the laptop. Alright guys, this is the Strix G from Asus. This is has one of the fastest chipsets in a laptop, and this is one of the fastest laptops to render YouTube videos. And let's take a look at it now. It has a beautiful black matte finish, and watch how fast this thing boots up. And you actually have lit keys, and you got lit lights under the laptop. They're already booted up. And take a look at this. It is done. So what you see here is one of the fastest laptops. This laptop actually is about 20 times faster than my older laptop, which is only 2 years old. And this laptop renders a very long 20-minute or so 4K video in less than, I would say, about 2 hours versus 20-something hours in the old laptop. And to give you an idea how fast this is, I'm using the Sony Vegas 14 software to actually render videos. And in the old software, if you open the application, it takes over a minute to really open the entire thing. Watch this. Press a button. Notice this is ramping up, and depending on the system you have, I've seen it range from 2 to 3 minutes all the way down to maybe a minute. And this whole thing loaded up in less than 9 seconds. And again, the old laptop, it actually took over a minute to open up. And to see how fast this thing renders in 1080p, follow me and I will show you the video. Alright guys, so we are going to use the same video that is 3 minutes and 55 seconds and render it in 1080p to show you how fast this is. Ready or not, here we go. Just to give you an idea how fast the frame rate is going, we are at 300 and change already. 400. And in terms of the percentage, we're at 7% on rendering. And we will come back when we hit 25%. Alright guys, we're at 25%. It took a minute, 40 seconds, and we've already processed 1,940 some odd frames already. And we will check back at 50%. Alright guys, we are at 50%, and it took 3 minutes to render. And what that means is that 2 minutes of video took 3 minutes to render, and it is fast. And now we've already processed 3,700 and change in terms of the frames per second, going on to 4,000. And we'll come back when we hit near 100% to show you how long it took to render this video. Alright guys, we are at 100% at 5.58 minutes in 1080p. So a video here, which is 3 minutes and 55 seconds, counting it as a 4-minute video, it rendered at 5 minutes and 58 seconds to completion. How fast is that? And no, I didn't forget about the accessories, so let's take a look at them now. This is what the cooling fan looks like. It's really, really cool. You're supposed to put the laptop on top of that and let the fan blow. And as it blows, it keeps the PC nice and cool and operating at optimal temperature. Okay, so this is what the mouse pad looks like, and this is what the performance mouse look as well. It's really cool looking. A really cool touch to it. You know, hopefully this will really add or actually reduce the time that's needed on the laptop to render things. How do you like those accessories? They're really cool looking. For more information on this product, the Amazon affiliate link is in the body of this video. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.